Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. Spicy Egg Masala Noodles, street food style with Indian spices. It's so spicy and cheesy that you can't stop eating this. So let's see how to prepare spicy egg noodles. Add 2 tablespoons oil in a cooking pan. To the hot oil, add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Give a quick toss. Add 1 large size thinly sliced onions. Saute until onions turn translucent and crisp. Add half teaspoon grated ginger and few chopped garlic. Saute until ginger and garlic becomes aromatic. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Give a quick stir. Add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Also add half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon pav bhaji masala and required salt. Add little water and saute until tomatoes turn soft. Add handful of thinly sliced carrots and capsicum. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes until vegetables turn soft. The vegetables and masala is now well cooked. Now push the tomato masala to the sides of the pan and make some space in the center. Add more oil as required. Break open 3 eggs. Quickly scramble the eggs. Now add the cooked plain noodles. Combine the noodles with the egg masala. Now add some tomato sauce and pinch of dried herbs or some fresh coriander leaves. Combine the sauce with the egg noodles. The spicy egg masala noodles is now ready. This is so easy to prepare, so the next time you get cravings for spicy egg noodles, you can prepare them at home yourself. And if you do make it, don't forget to share your feedbacks and comments on how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.